Hey guys, Steve at Lightsaber Systems here again. Have a little bit of a different offering this time. I've decided to go ahead and sell the do-it-yourself kit, so that those who already have a hilt that would like to add sound and light to it can do so. This is basically the same electronic setup that I put in all of the finished products that I offer to my clients. What's nice about this is that it's actually a completely modular system. So you're going to be able to swap out components without ever having to solder anything. For case in point, I have another switch here, which is wired up with the same wiring harnesses. All right, now we've got green on there. And it comes with all the motion and impact sounds. But without ever having to do any kind of soldering whatsoever, and just pop this bad boy off. And go ahead and switch out to a different one. And just like that, we got red. So this is nice because basically you can get through some of the holes and parts of your hilt that you otherwise would have to solder, because you have these wiring connectors. And if you want, you can change things out. I mean, you can switch diodes, you can switch switches, you can even switch power supplies if you want. So I thought this was a pretty neat offering. I mean, the sound's great. I think the price is very competitive. It's the same setup that I put in all of my sabers, so you should be able to get a very good product without a whole lot of effort. So, thanks for watching.